Eric Burgess here. 69% of households play video games. Choose 4 at random and find the probability that A, none play video games, and B, all 4 play video games. Well, looking at this, we say, okay, well, we're choosing 4 houses at random, so I'm going to draw 4 spots. Spot 1, spot 2, spot 3, spot 4. I usually start with drawing like little placeholders. I find it helps. And then we say, okay, well, none of them play video games. Well, this 69% is the chance that they play video games. So if we take 100% and we take off that 69%, we're going to be left with, what we'll go here is the chance of not playing video games. Right? Because what we're saying is, well, they either play video games or they don't. And so if 69% play video games and we take those away, what's left is the people who don't play video games. So we are going to go ahead and take 100. You could do this in your head, but on a test, you're going to wind up using a calculator to check it usually, because it's not worth making a silly mistake over mental math. All right, so 31% is the chance of not playing video games. So if none of them play video games, that means the first house doesn't play, the second house doesn't play, the third house doesn't play, and the fourth house doesn't play. And none of them, that's the same thing as first and is going to be multiply, second and third and fourth. So we're basically multiplying them all. This is going to give us the probability. So we're going to take 0.31 and raise it to the 4th power, which is right here, to the 4th. And we get 0.009, and I'm going to round here, 2. So this is the probability for part A. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a decimal. Now B is all 4 play video games. So we already know how many play video games. That's 69%. That's the chance that they play video games. So this is going to be 0.69, right, for the first house, and 0.69 for the next house, 0.69 for the next house, and 0.69 for the next house. So there's 4 houses, and all of them play video games. And since all of them have to play, this is like an and. So we use the multiply. So it's going to be 0.69 raised to the 4th power, and we get 0.2267. So this is the chance that all 4 play video games. So this is the part B, this is the part A, and that is how you do a question like this. So pretty simple. I see people sometimes get just a little bit confused when they start out. So my recommendation is to start by just making spaces for how many people, right? This would be like house 1, house 2. I find that is a really useful place to start if you don't know exactly where to begin. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop a comment down below, subscribe and hit that bell icon for future videos, and we'll catch you in the next problem.